vent damper closed during run cycle. It means like when there was a call for heat, the damper was closed instead of opening, and that's why it's flashing. So now we've checked to see that the has continuity. We checked to see that this has continuity. All right, and we there's no voltage drop. So when I check right here, there's no voltage drop. It's zero. But when I go like that, it's 28. So it means it's going past like the way it should. Now the question is, why is it doing that? So let's go ahead and check to see why it's closed. So we're gonna go ahead and, one thing is we're gonna make sure that this thing here is opening and closing. So let's go ahead and close this off, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna check right here. We're gonna go ahead and unscrew this thing right here. Give me my drill, and then give me the screwdriver, and then we're gonna check to see. Okay. So right here. Why do you think I'm doing this? Why do you think I'm doing this? So we're checking the continuity of this motor right here. There you go. Métele bien. Yeah, there's no, it's burnt out. You see that?
Ahí está topando y nada.
Yes, it's bad. Si quieres sacar esto y solo le empujas hacia arriba. You could stick like a flathead underneath it. Let me give you a flathead. Hold on. Here you go. Trata ahora. There you go. Pro tip. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and lift it up. ¿Puedes mirarlo o no? Si no, zápalo de ahí. Yeah, there you go. Oh, is that a bird?
Yeah.
A bird died in there?
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Ahí quedó trabado. Por eso
Oh my gosh, a bird died in here. Holy moly, brother. Oh, that's a first, brother. Oh man, who knew it would be pest control today? That's crazy. Oh my gosh. He's always a first, man. Oh, Darwin. Let's say a little prayer for this fella. He's lived. This poor dude was just trying to get some heat. Oh, that's so nice.